Hi there guys and girls, so today we have another review for you. Let's get into it. Right, okay then, so I have with me today a pack of MoonGel. So if you guys don't know about MoonGel, I might have held it upside down then. If you guys don't know about MoonGel, basically what it is it's a form of dampening for your drums. Takes away some of the overtones, it can deaden them a little bit if that's the sort of sound you're after. So you're going to open up the pot and see what's inside. So absolutely love this stuff. It's like super squidgy, sticks to pretty much anything. So you can also use these not just for your drums but also for your cymbals as well. So you get for £9.40, so you got these from Amazon. So for £9.40 you get 6 of these strips, okay? They're all in a pack and they all just peel off. So as I said, they are a bit gooey, bit not, just nice to play with, nice to mess about with. So basically what these do is they stick onto your toms or your cymbals. They'll create a little bit of deadening, as I said, and they can help you achieve the tone you want. Now, I'm not an advocate for using these instead of tuning. Learn how to tune your drums, it makes things a lot easier. I'll pop a little link up to a video up there that I've done before about tuning. What these are brilliant for is because they're in a little pot and you can stick them straight in your drum bag, keeps them nice, keeps them moist, and it's just super easy to carry around with you. When you go to studio sessions or live gigs, things like that, and you don't necessarily have time to tune the kit, if it's not your kit or whatever, you can just place a few of these on and get that desired sound that you're after quickly without any need, you know, to tune the whole kit. And the last thing you want to be doing really is when you're starting a gig, you know, you're doing your sound check and everything, is then you've tuned it nicely how you want it. Somebody else comes along, they're going to tune it differently. So if you're third on, last on, whatever, you know, the kit's going to sound different. And the last thing you want to be doing is spending 15 minutes before you start the gig getting the kit sounding how you want it. So these are great for that. As I said, also you can use them on cymbals. It will deaden the cymbal down a bit, so if you've got loud crashes or things, a small room, they're great for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on the kit. I'm going to do a little mix on it, not massively, so you can really hear the difference. And we're going to mess about, stick these on, and I'm going to play without them on, with them on, so you can hear what the difference is. Right, okay then, so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to quickly play, to give you an idea of what it sounds like, and then I'm going to add some MoonGel on, play again, and then I'm going to show you individually on each drum, okay? Okay, so we're going to MoonGel the kit up, as I said, really easy to do. So you just peel these guys apart and literally just stick them to the drum. As I said, they do stick really easily. You don't just have to add one of these to the drum, you can add as many as you want. They do stick really well together as well, so it takes a little bit of time. So literally, if you guys can see in the overhead camera, you literally just stick them on. So towards the end of the edge of the drum, okay, so now they're on, quickly play again. Okay, so now I'm going to go through each drum individually. So with the snare, stick this on, and with. So hopefully you can hear straight away that the overtones have gone out of that. So you can, if you haven't quite achieved the desired sound, as I said, you get 6 of these in a pot. I actually have a couple of pots of these, just so take them with me just in case I need more. You never know what condition things are going to be in. So if you want a bit more sound deadening, so this is with 2 on. And this is without. So you can hear all those overtones have gone. So now we'll go into the tom. So with, take it off, without. With, and without. Drums are tuned quite well, so I mean the overtones as such aren't really there because I've tuned them. But if we add 2 onto this one, and then without. Same on tom 2. So as the drums get bigger, you should notice a bit more. So you can hear with that one, it proper brings the tone out of the drum. And then if we add 2 on, and even 3 if you want to go that mad. So you can hear how much it actually controls the sound. And with the floor tom, so I'll do it without first. So you can hear all those overtones that exist in the drum. If you don't want those, then you start sticking these on. So you can get the desired sound you want by slowly adding more of these things on. I said they don't leave marks on the drums, on the skins, and I said super easy to do. And for the price, £10, you can't really go wrong. So now I'll show you on a cymbal. That's without. So you add a couple of these on. You can hear you can massively reduce or change the sound of the actual cymbals. To be honest, I've never really tried it on the underneath of the drum to see the difference that makes. But so what I'll do is, I'll just quickly do these again, do a little drum solo, and then you can hear what it sounds like. So. Okay, so that's it basically. So all I'll say is, hope you enjoyed it. Hope that gives you a good example of what these things sound like and what they can do. As I said, it's something I take with me everywhere. I always make sure I've got a pack with me, if not 2. So if you could please like and subscribe to the video, that would be great. It helps me a lot with the algorithm, helps me to get pushed up there. If you've got any questions about the products or anything, please let me know. I said I have paid for these, I don't get them free. And it's something that everybody should have in their bag when they go for an audition or playing live or in the studio or anything like that. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.